Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to fix Facebook video lag problem. At first, open your Facebook apps, click on three-line option menu, top right corner, scroll down little bit, click on setting and privacy, click on settings. Now scroll down little bit, click on media, see video quality here, data server, and now click on optimized, click here, go back to home screen, and now check your internet connection, go to your any browser, type speed test, click here, click on run speed test. Now check your internet speed test here, minimum 5 megapixel. Go back to home screen and go to your phone settings, scroll down little bit, click on apps. Now scroll down little bit, find Facebook, click on Facebook, and now scroll down little bit, click on uninstall, click on OK, go back to home screen and go to your Play Store, search for Facebook. Facebook update is available and reopen your Facebook apps. Hopefully your problem is solved. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.